Pen Gangsta here, and I have a really interesting pen that I'm going to show you today that I just recently got in the mail from Pen Chalet. It's this really cool pen that has a portable fountain pen concept behind it by YStudio, and it comes in this really interesting package. On the cover it says "The Weight of Words." So it's this, I know what's inside of it. It's a copper pen. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pen. So it has this cardboard outer sleeve or craft paper outer sleeve, and inside of it is this black box. Slip out. It has this beautiful logo on the front with this rose gold color. I think this packaging is actually really cool. I haven't seen anything like this. And so it lifts up like this. It's a really cool box. And it comes with some literature. You know, I mean, you know that the pen is actually kind of good because, or you'll know that the pen is good because even the brochure comes with like sewn stitching for the binder or the binding, which is kind of cool. So pretty much inside of the brochure, it shows all the components of the pen and what it could be used for. It also has some ink recommendations in there, which it recommends Pelikan, Waterman and Cross inks for this pen. And then inside of the box, and here's the really nice, beautiful, clean presentation. So you've got the pen holder, and also some leather straps that will allow this pen to become portable. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's like, well, aren't all my pens portable? Well, yeah, they are. And they're portable, like, you know, you put it in your pocket or put it in your pen case and then you take off, right? But this pen is portable in a different way. So it's portable with a different concept, if you will. So this part comes off right there, and then you can reach in and get all of its components out. So let's take a look at the pen. It is copper. It's got some weight to it. And so it pulls off and you can see the nib that goes with it. And what it is, it appears that it is a gold-plated Schmidt German nib. Well, I mean, come on now. It's like one of the only times I have makeup on I can get this done.
Well, maybe you should wear makeup more often.
No. All right, so let's unscrew this section. And this pen does come with a converter. Also, if you look closely around the threads, it has an O-ring on it to ensure a secure fit, and also just in case this thing comes off, it's not going to leak all over the place. So it pulls off and pushes in. So this one doesn't screw in like other pens. So obviously the cap has a hole in it, so you could put your leather string through it and carry it around. And here is the wooden pen holder that it comes with. So let's go ahead and put that together. It is threaded, so it does screw off, which is nice because if you have this hooked up to a bag or you're hanging it from, I don't know, your belt loop or wherever you want to hang it, you know that it just won't pull off and you'll lose your lovely pen. What?
I'm just talking to you, or even looking at you.
He's looking at me.
When you say O-ring, it sounds like you say ovary.
Ovary.
Is what you said, this pen has an ovary?
Maybe it has an ovary, maybe it's female. So here's a closer look at the leather thread that comes with it. There is like this, looks like a brass fixture. I'll have to figure out, or look at the directions to figure out how that works. So let me see. Actually, I kind of have an idea of what you're supposed to do with it. When I do the writing sample, I will go ahead and take this apart and put it back together so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm pretty much going to take the pen and put it through this top section, like so. And it does have a little bit of friction, so that way this isn't going to come off. I'm going to choose black, just because I think the black and copper colors look really pretty together. So I'm going to thread that through that top part of the cap. And I go ahead and take this brass little piece and put those right back through here. And there's that. So I could pretty much tie this on to anything I want now. And then it will be in its own little I guess, capsule. So that's pretty cool. I could pretty much hang that off of anything. So if you need to use this pen, just unscrew this bottom part. We've got that, and then I guess since this part comes off like that, it'll that, and you can use it. I don't know, I think that's kind of a cool concept. The next step is to ink this pen up and write with it and see how she does. Kind of looks like a nunchuck. Beat somebody with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you've learned a little bit more about these new YStudio pens, and perhaps you'll go over to Pen Chalet and check it out. It's highly portable, apparently. It smells like copper. And that's how the ink flows.